Libra, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 23 to 29, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So, promote ko lang ang Libra bracelet. So, ito ay in alignment ng Libra energy. So, meron tong rhodonite, blue apatite, at bloodstone. So, ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. So, let us begin. Libra. What's up for Libra this week? You have the Four of Pentacles, Four of Swords, the Ace of Vessels, and Justice card, which is your energy. Yung iba sa inyo, Libra, hindi kayo masyadong maglalabas ng bahay ngayong week na to. Yung iba sa inyo, may baby sa bahay, pwedeng may bagong panganak, pwedeng ikaw yung bagong panganak or asawa mo, partner mo, or someone sa family. Okay? You will also be focusing on saving money. Oo. So, kumbaga, isa sa pagtitipid mo ngayon is huwag masyadong maglalabas kasi syempre the more na lumalabas tayo, may gastos yan, gasolina, pamasahe, minsan kakain ka pa sa labas, 'di ba? But it seems na meron kang pinag-iipunan or nagiging maingat ka lang ngayon sa pag-handle ng finances mo. So there's some sort of clarity in your situation na alam mo kung ano yung makakatulong for your current situation. Pwede kasing may mga financial struggles pero kaya mo namang gawa ng paraan. Kumbaga kailangan lang na merong sacrifice. Oo, may mga kailangan lang munang tiisin. Kung dati, every week kayong nalabas with family to go out. So, pwedeng i-minimize nyo na lang ng twice a month. Ganyan. So, what is the Four of Pentacles? You have the Eight of Cups or Seven of Cups. Yeah. I feel like, meron kang mga spendings, no, na hindi mo na-account. So, kumbaga, hindi mo na-check kung saan napupunta. So, that's why ngayon pwedeng binabawasan mo talaga yung iyong expenditures, yung paggastos. I also see some of you na may mga unnecessary purchases dahil naengganyo ka lang or cute, maghanda, pero hindi naman talaga kailangan. So, it seems na dun mo nare-realize na okay, kailangan wag mo nang magpabudol. What is the Four of Swords? The Ace of Pentacles, yes. Some of you, meron kayong pinaghahandaan na bagong proyekto, trabaho, negosyo. So, alam mo yung tipong nag-resign, tapos nagpapahinga ka muna kasi meron ka ng bagong trabaho. Or yung iba, nag-resign para magsimula ng bagong negosyo. So, ngayon, you are resetting yourself, no? Nire-reset mo yung sarili mo bagong ikaw. You have the Four of Swords as well. Or some of you are also healing from your romantic situation, romantic relationships. So, I see you loving yourself more. So, mas may self-care, self-love dito. And I think, meron mga romantic opportunities for you, pero hindi mo pa pinapansin sa ngayon kasi alam mo na distraction lang siya. Oo, iniisip mo muna ngayon mahalin ang sarili mo. What is the Justice card? You have the High Priestess. See, this is wisdom. You have matured, no? You have grown a lot. Kumbaga, kung merong mga tao na kakilala sa'yo 2 years ago, pag nakita ka nila ngayon at nakausap ka nila ngayon, masasabi nila na, uy, ibang tao ka. Hindi ikaw yan before. Kasi talagang nag-mature ka. In a good way, like, of course, you have more wisdom. And I think, parang ikaw mismo dumidistansya na rin sa ibang tao na alam mong hindi helpful sa'yo or hindi magandang influence sa'yo. Umiiwas ka na sa ganon. You have Moon in Gemini in the 3rd house. 3rd house is about learning. I think you have passion in learning something new. Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong mga bagong ideas na ine-explore to increase your finances, your income, to grow, ganyan. You have Saturn in Gemini in the 3rd house. I think, umiiwas ka sa mga bad influence sa'yo na dinadala ka lang sa isang issue para madamay. Alam mo yun, lalo na kung meron kang mga kaibigan na mahilig mag-chismis or mahilig pag-usapan ng buhay ng ibang tao. So, some of you are umiiwas sa mga ganun. You are finally in control of your life right now with Mars in Sagittarius. So, parang hindi mo hayaan na ma-influence ka ng iba because you have your own, kumbaga, mo na yan na-establish mo na ngayon yan, yung sarili mong discernment, sarili mong judgment, and hindi ka basta-basta na lang maniniwala sa kiniklaim or sinasabi ng ibang tao. For you, you have your own understanding. 9th house is also about your higher learning and belief system. So, I think yung iba sa inyo paninindigan nyo yung mga pananiniwalaan nyo. Hindi na kayo basta-basta parang mag-agree para lang matanggap kayo ng isang taong yun dahil yun yung pinaniniwalaan niya. Ikaw, meron kang sarili mong pinapaniwalaan at yun ang paninindigan mo. Obstacles to overcome. Yes, you're going to overcome yung mga challenges na napagdaanan mo. Success assured with good plans and hard work. Yes. So, itong success na to, masarap tong maramdaman because ito ay bunga ng iyong pagod, bunga ng iyong mga trabaho. That I think you really deserve. Feeling tied down and frustrated. So, some of you, maaring yung frustration na yon is galing pa yan sa nangyari sa'yo in the past. That's why ngayon, you're really trying to fix something. Meron kang inaayos. You are healing from something. Dahil sa mga limitations na yan. In need of help, assistance, and guidance. So, I feel like you are also going to be open sa tulong ng ibang tao, yung assistance ng ibang tao, at alam mo kung ano yung kailangan mo. Okay? Needs. Speaking of kailangan mo. So, I think some of you merong vacation dito. Hindi masyadong mag-iisip ng mga problema. You are going to focus on the solution. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.